What's the meaning of arsenal? Arsenal. Arsenal.
Arsenal. Arsenal. The term arsenal refers to a collection or stockpile of weapons, especially those held by a military force or government. It can also refer more broadly to any large collection of resources or tools that are used for a specific purpose. An arsenal may contain a variety of weapons, such as guns, bombs, rockets, and grenades, as well as ammunition and other equipment. The term is often associated with military or strategic contexts, but it can also be used in other contexts where a large collection of tools or resources is needed to achieve a specific goal.